Here we're going to be starting section 1.3, and section 1.3 is all about what the book calls the 12 basic functions. You're going to find this starting in section 1.3, so if you're using the online book, you go through the process to get that open. The page number in your actual textbook is going to be somewhere around page 100. In fact, it is page 99 is going to be the place where you find this starting in your book. So what we've got here are 12 basic functions. These are just kind of for our reference. You certainly don't need to memorize these. You should always just go back to them and look them up once you've been asked the question. But you'll notice here we've got some functions we're fairly familiar with. This is the identity function, it says. That's just y equals x. That's our basic linear. This is just our basic quadratic function, our basic cubic function. And then the reciprocal function, those are those rational functions like we were just talking about in the last section. We've also got an exponential function, square root function, sine function, natural log. Again, there are a lot of different things here. We don't have to memorize any of them. Then we get to finally the other four. We got the absolute value, y equals absolute value of x, the cosine. This one, which we really won't use a whole lot at all, the greatest integer function, is called a step function. And then the logistic function, which we'll get to in the next chapter or two, that has something to do with exponentials. But those are our 12, and we're just really going to be referencing those. So don't worry about memorizing them. Don't even memorize the equations. Just go back and look them up when asked for different characteristics of those.